Sometimes I look at a 3D printer and I'm just at awe. How fast can it print like that? So much accuracy. It goes so fast, and every layer is perfect. Although it has its own challenges, which I'm going to show you on this channel. Check out my 3D printer. It's printing a Benchy. So fast, and this is the normal speed. Promise I didn't make it faster. The video is natural. As you can see, it's so accurate. It's amazing. It's so amazing. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share so I can produce more projects. And check out our website. Have a good day.